get to see what it looks like. So, okay, now that it's, yeah, so, well, no, you're going to do both. There's a choice that says both, record screen and video. Do that. You'd be down in the right-hand corner. Is your camera covered up? No, I mean a different what? Computer? Yeah, do webcam. Well, there should be a choice that says webcam and okay, good. Do you see the screen too? No, you don't want to do that because it should say it should give you a choice of okay. Okay, and you can see your screen too. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your other browser. So go back down to the bottom and then go back onto Madison College through Firefox or whatever the other one is. Do you know what I mean? And then you can pull up your Blackboard page. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Well, wait a minute. Okay. So stop your recording. Are you recording yet? No, but that's okay.